Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a toy review of the Dino Valley Dinosaur Bucket Head from 2024 to 2025, and this is video part 4. As you can see, you get these mud color dinosaurs. And this will make a nice addition to your Lego city if you want to make your dinosaur theme more realistic. And there will be a lot more videos on its way. All those videos will include Lego and more toys and Barbie reviews, and also many more still to come. I'll see you. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos if toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships. My email is in my contact info in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.